see, at the end of the day,
Yeah.
music is a very creative art form within boundaries,
Yeah.
but bhava
Yeah.
is individualistic.
Yeah.
It cannot be repeated by the second person.
Yeah.
No, every line is felt in a completely different way.
Yeah.
The same raga, in one of the classes it happened, the guru is teaching 32 of us one raga. And I am singing it. Everybody is singing it on mute because it's an online class. And he asks us the experience after the class, and we'll have to type like a small paragraph and send it. Some said they were in a meditative state. Some said they were overjoyed. Some said, including me, I had tears in my eyes. I was crying. I felt so much, dukkha in that raga. Especially when when he was teaching Purya Kalyan, I had tears rolling down. I started to feel some void. All this was there. The same raga, taught by the same guru, repeated by a set of students during the same class, is felt by each individual in a completely different way. So bhava is individualistic.
Absolutely.
It is.
I think that applies even to the consumers as well.
Oh yeah. When I finish my concerts and people come and talk to me, some people have tears in their eyes and say, I miss my daughter. Somebody in their lives would have passed away. Somebody will not be there. Will just not be next to them. They are missing them. For some people, it is about connections between people. For some people, they come and tell me, you took us straight to this place. You took us straight to Sri Ranganatha in Tiruchi when you sang Rangapura Vihara. You took us straight here. I went there. I could see him right in front of my eyes. For some people, it is purely having darshana of God. For some people who have had knee surgeries, they said, I forgot about my pain for the last 3 hours. I forgot I even got a surgery done. I was painless. So it is a medicine for some people. So it is entirely different. But the one thing that remains the same is the bhava, once evoked in you, is evoked in them also. It can manifest in many ways, but it is still bhava.
But until and unless it evokes, if it doesn't evoke within you,
no effect on the audience. No effect. They just keep sitting like this, that's all. There are TV,
and it will be clearly evident also.
Yeah, and that is when the camera pans them, they will say, look at the camera and say hi. Everybody will be like, hey, hi, and all. That is when all that will happen. Otherwise, they'll be absorbed in the music and they'll not even know the camera is panning towards them. I had to say that.
On a lighter note, before we end this conversation, I just wanted to, for the audience, like they said, hi.
Yeah.
ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಯೂರ ಅಂತ ಮೇನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೂರಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ.